and welcome to the Encyclopedia and our chapter on 3 club scissors. My name is Kevin Axtell.
And my name is Jeremiah Johnston. Scissors are a diverse family of tricks. They're great for punctuating routines and sequences, as well as providing a contrast to toss juggling. And of course, there are tons of unique scissor tricks.
It's true. Now, in this chapter, we will be discussing and exploring several different scissor styles, starting with the fundamentals and what makes a 3-club scissor, and then moving on to learning the classic scissor catch. From there, we will discuss scissor theory, one of my favorites, which will allow us to enter into a whole new area of scissor tricks and styles. You will learn slivers, you will learn grapples, scissor multiplexes, scissor squeeze catches, and so much more. It's all very exciting, and we're glad you're here with us. So, stretch out those hands. It's going to be a fun ride. There are 2 parts to every 3-club scissor. The first is, of course, the scissored club, which is caught or held in place by the second part, the scissor grip. Now, before we dive in to the scissor catch, we need to take a closer look at the scissor grip. We use the regular scissor grip almost exclusively because over the years it has proven to be the superior scissor grip. So we recommend you always use regular grip when manipulating, catching, or tossing scissors. Now I want to be clear, Circus grips is not a bad grip. It's very useful for all kinds of juggling tricks, multiplexes, numbers juggling, passing, collecting. It's a good grip. It's just not a good grip for scissor catches. Remember that. Now, the big question is, how can I tell the difference between circus and regular grip? Notice in regular grip, the top club is always pointed or angled toward the inside. Circus grip, the club on the top is held by the thumb. No matter which grip you're in, the top club is angled toward the inside. This is the easiest visual way to understand the difference. Eventually, you'll be able to tell the difference between circus and regular grip without even looking at it. There's a certain feel to it that you'll get used to.
Switching from regular grip to circus grip.